All right, guys, let's make some chili. 2 pot, you're gonna add about 2.5 pounds to 3 pounds of ground beef. With about 6 slices of chopped bacon. To that pot, you're gonna add cayenne pepper, salt, chili powder, ground black pepper, ground cumin, and crushed chili peppers. You're gonna wanna use about half the amount of the total amount of seasoning you're using, because we're gonna drain the ground beef once it's cooked, and then you're gonna wanna reapply seasoning after that. While your ground beef and bacon cook, we don't use garlic, salt, or onion powder. We use a real onion and a real garlic, and you're gonna use the whole thing. You're also gonna wanna use the green bell pepper, full thing, and then a jalapeno. Little tip or trick, break the garlic in the bag. You can just throw that away. Little tip or trick for the juice from the ground beef.
The one fish.
Your bell pepper, make sure you go ahead and chop it too. Same thing with your jalapeno, dice it. You got them kids talking about it's too spicy, just unseed 1/2 and then use the other half with seeds. Okay, ground beef cooked, all the fluid out. Add in your chopped vegetables and cook for about a minute. And then while your vegetables cook, you're gonna wanna re-season with all the seasonings you used initially. I don't have measurements for my seasoning, I just season. But your cumin and your chili powder are the most important seasonings. Okay, you're gonna add 2 cans of kidney beans, a can of diced tomatoes, a can of crushed tomatoes, about 3/4 cans of beef broth, tablespoon of tomato paste. Let that cook for about an hour on low. Good. This is gonna be the best chili recipe.